Hey everybody, I'm back with another update of what's happened here in southern Utah, and today I'm back up here on Tech Ridge where I've got a quick update on the container park. So in my last video I mentioned that they needed temporary space to be able to keep putting companies up here while the buildings are under construction. So what they've done is, first off, I mentioned they turned the old FedEx hangar and put Zonos in there for their office. But Zonos is growing at such a rapid pace, they need more space for them, along with some of the other companies that are up here. So as you can see behind me and all around me, we've got a bunch of containers that were dropped off last week, and they will now begin the process of building out this container park. So it'll go around the current FedEx hangar. Companies that are in the old hangar on the north end of the bluff, such as Busy, Awardco, Weave, amongst a few others, are going to occupy this container park until the office buildings are done in phase one. Really exciting stuff. I love the innovation. I love the thought process so that we can keep pushing the needle forward up here. COVID has created supply chain issues in many ways, and construction has definitely had an impact there. And so props to the city and Tech Ridge for thinking of an idea to be able to keep people up here while construction is underway. So for more info on what's happening here in southern Utah, you can call me or text me 435-668-7293, or find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Thanks guys.